welcome to the Jeff Fishing Vlog. Today I'm at Loon Lake, and I'm going to take the advice of a good fishing buddy who said statistically, he'd read somewhere that statistically the most big bass are caught on big black worms dragged slowly across the bottom. So that's what we're going to do. I know this is Loon Lake and they have muskie in it, and hopefully I do catch one today, but I don't really have any muskie lures other than these 10-inch worms and 7-inch flukes that I'll be using today. And I'm going to be doing Carolina rigged, switching back and forth between Carolina rigged and Texas rigged, and we'll just see how we do. Let's give this a cast right here. Well, looks like we're hung up right off the bat. Might be a lot of grass. Might be too much grass in this area for this kind of fishing. That's the thing is haven't fished out here a whole lot, so I don't necessarily know. But right now, it looks like I'm at the, oh yeah, I see lots of grass. I'm at the opening of a couple of islands. Like there's the bank there, there's an island over there. And just trying to fish right where the fish should be coming in and out. Yep. I may have to switch strategies. Like that's all I'm doing is dragging grass, but I guess that won't be so bad if we get a big tug. Let's see what we got here. It's not so bad. That is a red shad worm. We're going to go ahead and throw on this Zoom Black Glitter 10.5 inch. Do have a couple of laydowns around here also. Using a 5/0 hook. But I think most of you know that. Alright, let's try this again. Cast over there into those trees. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that freed up. Oh yeah. All right, now I made a little stop at Walmart on the way here, and I do want to be doing a review of this Bassmate fish attractant. I am a big believer in fish attractant. I know it works. I don't know about this particular brand, but we'll see. Well, see if we can get some of it out. There we go. We got the pump working. Bass attracted. Just seen a little roll right there. So let's see what happens. Now we got that all over our fingers. Back in the grass. It's all right though. When you're Carolina rigging, pulling that sinker ought to be pulling that grass and clearing up a little space for your worm. That's the whole deal, is you just want that worm to get bit. Completely freed up right there. Must be a little drop off. That's what we're looking for. Lost all that stuff. There's that duck. If Debbie was here, she'd call it in. That's what she was talking about this morning, using her duck call. So we did get one little one. Heading in, just kind of slow fishing. Then I ran into a big weed bed out here in the middle. Kind of left my fluke out. Oh, lo and behold, nice little bass. Thank you very much. So after fishing for a few hours, I ended up having to switch to a tube bait with a shaky head jig hook on it, and started catching fish almost immediately. Getting bites is more like it. I ended up catching 3 fish. 2 of them was on the shaky head. I lost one on the shaky head, and then I caught one on a fluke as I was coming in, just kind of trolling, dragging it behind me. I did learn something that I should have remembered, or I should have knew about Loon Lake. Is Loon Lake has submerged grass beds, at least 2 of them that I know of. I didn't get to go around the whole lake, but I'm guessing that they are throughout the whole lake. And probably a really good place to go and learn how to fish those things, because there was a guy, when I was using them 10-inch worms, there was a guy fishing the bed out behind me, and I know he was flat wearing them out. So as far as the fish attracting goes, I felt that the scent of it was very uninspired. I didn't get any bites while I was using it, although I may have been using the wrong technique at that lake at that time. I didn't get any bites using the 10-inch worm or the big fluke, dragging across the bottom. I had, like I had said earlier, I had to switch to the shaky head tube bait, and then it got bites pretty quick. I do like Loon Lake. I am going to go back, and I'm going to go back with a little different tactic next time. So as far as that fish attraction goes, I would suggest moving on to Bang or something else. I would pass on that particular. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go fishing.
You ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
How about we going to talk about a little fishing?
Sure.
What's your favorite style of fishing? Do you like lure fishing? Do you like bobber fishing? Do you like just sitting and watching your line? Or do you like casting and reeling something in?
Casting and reeling something in.
That's what I thought. You're not very patient to just sit and wait for them to bite, are you?
No, I'm not very patient.
No.
But I will also do the bowl thingy.
The bobber?
Yeah, bobber.
But you just let that sit for a second, then you just kind of twitch it and reel it in, twitch it and reel it in. Yeah, that's not a bad style. You got, we fish for fish that are biting. We're not fishing for fish that are looking. Is that right?
Right.
That's right. Where are you looking at? Big Daddy over there?
No, I'm looking at the birds.
You're looking at the birds?
Trying to eat worms.
We have something to talk about. We have something new for the Jeff Fishing vlog.
Yes, we have new merch. We have the car stickers for the cars.
Now, how do you get one of those car stickers? You just ask.
Yeah, you
because I want to, anybody that wants a car sticker.
Can I have one? Can I have one?
Yes, you can.
Oh, thank you.
Anybody wants a car sticker, just leave me a message. I'll figure out how to get one to you. Text me, call me, whatever.
And we have the Jeff Fishing shirt.
The very first and only at the moment, the Jeff Fishing vlog shirt with our new design. It says, "When's the best time to fish?" And as you can see, there's fish on every hour, so we know the best time to fish is when?
Whenever you can go.
Whenever you can go.
And then the Jeff Fishing vlog.
If you guys, we do have hats coming. They're little I want to thank Midwest Graphics for helping us with the design, printing up the shirt, getting us the decals. They've been a big help on this. And we have hats on the way. I want to thank those that have already bought hats, because we sold out of our first batch of hats. And we're looking at getting another batch.
I'm just showing them all of them.
You just showing them all of them?
Yeah.
And we have plenty of these. And if I run out, whenever I run out of these, I'll just get more.
And the hats will have this logo on the face.
Yes, they will. And it'll be this style hat. And if you would prefer a different color hat, we can get you a different color hat. If you were wanting one of the shirts, just let me know. Let me know what size and the color. We could put all that. They are what?
How much are they?
I believe the shirts are going to be $15 and the hats are going to be $15. If I have to, if the shirts are over a 2X, I think there's an extra charge on that. But you know, I got to wear a 3X shirt because, you know, I got a big investment right here. So, do you have anything you want to ask me?
When's the best time to fish?
Anytime you can go. You guys have a wonderful day.
Bye.